Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the art of growing long beans that produce tons of beans for a continuous harvest all season long. If you're looking to maximize your yield and enjoy an abundant bean harvest, you're in the right place. Long beans, also known as yard-long beans or Chinese long beans, are part of the legume family. They're incredibly productive, hardy, and perfect for vertical gardening because of their climbing nature. Long beans are packed with nutrients, rich in protein, fiber, and vitamins, making them a fantastic addition to any garden and diet. Let's start with choosing the right variety. Some popular types are asparagus beans and red noodle beans, each bringing unique flavors and colors. Pick a variety that suits your climate and garden setup. Long beans thrive in warm weather and need full sun. That means at least 6 to 8 hours of sunlight daily. If you're gardening in cooler regions, consider starting them indoors to give them a head start. Long beans love well-drained, fertile soil. Begin by loosening the soil about 8 to 12 inches deep and adding compost or well-rotted manure. Long beans are light feeders but benefit from organic matter to retain moisture and nutrients. Aim for a soil pH of 6.0 to 7.0 for the best growth. Now it's time to plant. Space your seeds about 6 to 8 inches apart in rows, or you can grow them in large pots if space is limited. Plant the seeds about 1 inch deep. Within a week or two, you'll see those little sprouts starting to emerge. Long beans are natural climbers, so use a trellis, fence, or even bamboo poles to support their growth. This vertical structure will allow for better air circulation, pest control, and easier harvesting. Consistent watering is essential. Long beans need moderate moisture but don't like soggy roots. Water them deeply 1 to 2 times a week, especially during dry periods. To keep the soil consistently moist and prevent weeds, add a layer of mulch around the plants. Since long beans can produce nitrogen on their own, avoid high nitrogen fertilizers which encourage leaves instead of beans. Instead, apply a balanced organic fertilizer once they start flowering to boost bean production. A compost tea or seaweed extract can also work wonders. Section 7. Pests and Disease Management. Long beans are generally hardy, but pests like aphids, beetles, and spider mites can still pose a problem. Introduce beneficial insects like ladybugs or use neem oil to keep pests at bay. Also, watch out for powdery mildew, ensure good airflow and avoid watering the leaves to reduce this risk. Section 8. Harvesting for continuous yield. One of the best things about long beans is their continuous harvest. Start picking beans once they're about 12 to 18 inches long. Harvest regularly every few days to encourage new pods to form and prolong the plant's production period. The more you pick, the more beans they'll produce. Remember, avoid letting beans mature fully on the plant, as it can reduce new growth. Section 9. Bonus tips for maximum production. Here are a few pro tips for an even bigger harvest. Rotate crops. Avoid planting beans in the same spot every year to keep the soil healthy. Add support early. Set up trellises early to avoid damaging roots later. Regular pruning. Trim any excess leaves to focus energy on bean production. Section 10. Closing remarks. And there you have it. With these steps, you're well on your way to growing long beans with lots of fruit and a continuous harvest that'll keep your kitchen stocked for months. If you found this guide helpful, please hit the like button, share it with fellow gardeners, and subscribe for more gardening tips and tricks. Happy gardening, and I'll see you in the next video.